1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to the power 987, 654, 321. We have to find out the remainder once we divided by 10. Welcome to Home of Math. Today we are going to solve this advanced level math. This math is very important for International Math Olympiad, SET or any competitive examination. Let's start. This number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to the power 987, 654, 321. The last digit of this number is 9. Right? So we will think about the power of 9. In this case, we have to find out the power of 9 module 10. Right? It means 9 to the power n module 10 will be the result of this question. So in this case, we have to find out a pattern of 9 to the power n module 10. So first one, 9 to the power n module 10, it means 9. 9 square module of 10 equals to 1. 9 to the power 3 module of 10 equals to 9. Look, 9 square it means 81. 81 once we divided by 10, the result will be 8 and remainder will be 1. Right? This is a 1. Similar, 9 cube, the remainder is 9. 9 to the power 4, the remainder is 1. Now look, here is 9, 1, 9, 1. Okay? And look, once this is odd number, the remainder is 9. Once is even number, the remainder is 1. Similar, odd and even. So 9, 1, 9, 1. So we can say the pattern alternate between 9 and 1. Since we can easily find out the result, we no need to calculate this big number. 1 to 9 to the power 9 to 1, this is a big number and normal calculator we will not getting the perfect result. But once we know about 9 to the power n module 10, we can easily find out the result. So in this case, we can easily say, since 9 to 1 and unit digit is 1, therefore we can say this number is what? So in odd number, we know the module is what? Module 10 and the remainder is 9. So our result is 9. Okay? Hope you understand this one. So by this math, we can easily find out the big number once we divided any small number, how to find out the remainder. Thank you being with me. This math is very important for you, and in your home you should practice these kinds of big math, how to solve very short way. Thank you. My request, if you think this video is helping you, don't forget subscribe the channel.